Hello everyone, thank you for tuning into another one of my soap making video. This is Helen from Moonlit Soap Work. It's been a while since I make a video. Been busy trying to get this soap room organized and trying to set up new lighting to see if this area would work for the filming instead of out by my kitchen, since my family sort of want the kitchen back apparently. But I'll still try to sneak one or two video in from the kitchen side because the bright light outside with the table with the kitchen island, which is so nice. Well, so this is kind of like a testing video, so if there's anything off with the lighting or the angles off or you know, and so on, please excuse me while I'm trying to refine my process. But I really would like to work on a batch of soap in this new space to see if it's gonna be suitable or not. Anyhow, so today we are going to be making a almost a special request. I have somebody who have been really in love with this particular fragrance. Is the I think what it is pronounced Yuzu, the Yuzu fragrance, which I believe is a like a Japanese, almost like tangerine, mini tangerine, but a little delicate with a sense. It's a little softer than typical citrus scent, so it actually smells really nice. So I finally get to use it. It have a touch of orangey kind of sense to it, but not overly, and it's not lemony at all. So it's a very fragrance citrus sense. It's very interesting, I have to say. So this is gonna be a multiple layer soap. So the bottom is gonna be orange, obviously, with the Yuzu fragrance. So it's gonna be orangey, and this is neutral soaps. This is their Mango Tango. I love their color. Basically any color I use of theirs it's never failed me. So this is a beautiful orange. We're just gonna do like a tint of orange. Doesn't have to be bright, so it's not going to be as vibrant as this when we're done with it, because it's going into quite a lot of soap. And then the top section is going to be a white base with just a hint of bluish greenish swirl inside in it, so it's kind of a little mini bit of a in the pot swirl in the sense. So it's going to be two layers. So this is a teal green mica from neutral soap also. See how beautiful this shimmery color is. So it's not going to be as vibrant once again once it goes into full process. That's just how the card is dealt. There's really no other way to actually keep it too vibrant, because the process will take away some of the shine. But this is a beautiful color. That, and then so the bottom layer is going to be with the Yuzu, and the top layer is going to be fresh cut grass fragrance. And so it's kind of have that, you know, the tree and then the grassy sense. So hopefully it should be a nice balance. Right here is my my usual recipe. This one have sunflower and grapeseed oil inside, and a giant spoon of salt for hardness. And in here I actually is super fatting with, or added, you know, can't really control what super fat come through or not, but caramel butter is I actually happen to get my hand on some interesting butter, and caramel butter is one of the ones that I would like to try it out. It have a very light, soft sense to it. So hopefully this will be a nice bar soap. I'm sure it will be a nice bar soap. So this, and then in between the layer on the bottom, I'm gonna do some rose clay, little bit of pencil line hopefully going on. We'll see how that go also. It's a little bit complicated for a soap now that I'm think about it. So that, and on top of that, since you know usually it's a citrus, and I happen to get my hand on some orange peel powder, I'm gonna put a nice little spoon into that tube, so have a little bit more of a citrusy, have a little bit of exfoliating action going on there. So And I might do other thing on top of that, but let's see how far this goes, because this is kind of my first time using that particular fragrance, so I'm not sure how fast it moves or how well it behaves, so we'll see. So enough of that. Ooh, let's make some soap. Okay, there you have it. This is Untitled. This is my latest batch. This is the Yuzu fragrance on the bottom and the fresh cut grass on the top. It might be one of my flattest soap I have done in a while now. If you could see it, the top is pretty much just a simple swirl with a little bit of glitter, and this one have a little bit more design on top. I think both fragrance, well, the usual fragrance especially, it does almost rise a little bit whilst I was working on it, so they kind of have a little kind of like pudding consistency when I put it in. The fresh cut grass is actually a very slow moving fragrance. I forgot about that. So basically I was hoping to do some kind of a you know, top with a fort and maybe put a little decoration in the corner, but I don't think I had the patience to wait for this to set, because this particular fragrance actually super slow moving. I have kind of found out that most grass type fragrance do that to me, like white tea and ginger, super slow moving. Ginger ale, really slow moving. This one, fresh cut grass, very slow moving also. So if you want to do a flat soap and you want a little swirly design going on, this will be the fragrance to go to. Anyhow, so we'll see how this look. It's really messy, as you can see. Pencil lines is all one of the messiest process out there. There's like no way to control it, but hopefully they came out okay. But other than that, it smells really good, so I'm hoping the cut will be beautiful as well. So stay tuned for the cutting video, and once again, thank you so much for tuning in. And I'm sorry I haven't been able to post for a little bit. I've got a lot of like stuff on my plate, so slowly getting rid of them. So this is me coming back into soaping and making video. I have been soaping a little bit here and there, but I just haven't get around to make a video of it. It's a double process. So hopefully this video turned out okay, then I will be able to use this space and pre-set up the light and make the whole production a little easier. And once again, thank you so much for sticking with me and being so patient and wait for my soap making videos. I'm sure there's tons of other videos you can entertain yourself with from other very talented soap maker on YouTube that you don't necessarily need my video, but I would do like to have your view. So thank you so much once again. So stay tuned for the cutting video, and until next time, happy soaping!